Everybody's heard of hair transplants, but why is Turkey the leader in hair transplantation? We're breaking that down full throttle. Hey, Doc audience. So why is Turkey the leading hair transplantation country? Rod, what's the deal?
Well, first of all, hair loss, especially in men, is a major concern. I mean, you and I are very lucky. And also hair loss in women, especially perimenopausal, is a huge deal. So I think the refinement today of hair transplantation and making it so that it's almost invisible to see, and you can see it in incredible people like Elon Musk, transformed him. I mean, I know he can afford it. He didn't have to go to Turkey, I'm sure. But I think the reason Turkey's become a hotspot is international tourism, is that they are really leading the world in not only streamlining international patients, but they have entire hospitals built. It's a one package price. And I think the big thing is it's cost. I mean, I came back on Turkish Airways a few months ago, and I think about 20 people had these bandages on their head that were coming back from Istanbul. And so I think we've all had patients with them, and actually some of the results are pretty dramatic. Not taking anything away from the US. I mean, the US, obviously there's incredible hair transplant experts all around the US. Plastic surgeons, dermatologists, and other experts. It's the people that do it all the time. So, but I think it's streamlined, it's packaged, it's excellent care. There's hospitals that do it. And I know several of my patients and friends that have actually done it. And I think it's a thumbs up.
I mean, I used to be like Kojak, bald. And then I went to Turkey. Look at the flow.
No, he didn't.
The flow is just incredible. It's just like Turkish flow. Beautiful.
I love it. That's great.
That's great stuff. But if you like that, check out this video on how Korea became #1 for plastic surgery.